There are 5 essential steps to succeeding on Amazon, and we are diving straight in. The first step is to pick a system. Each system for selling on Amazon has its own set of advantages and drawbacks. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of which system is best suited for your goals and how to leverage it for your success. After choosing a system, the next step is to pick a product. This is a critical phase where many sellers either make it or break it. I'm going to share with you a product research method that surpasses many of the paid services out there, and it's going to be free. This method has helped countless sellers find products without breaking the bank, ensuring they start on the right foot. Step 3 is all about creating your listing. Creating an effective and creative product listing is an art and a science. I will reveal 10 secrets to crafting a Amazon product listing that not only attracts buyers but converts them into loyal customers. Plus, I'll highlight the most common mistake Amazon sellers make and provide insights on how you can avoid falling into the same trap. The fourth step is crucial: launching your product. This is where all your hard work develops into a strategic push to get your product noticed and purchased. I will walk you through the product launch strategy, which we call the product launch group. This innovative approach has enabled many sellers to gather substantial reviews quickly and achieve impressive sales in their first few months, giving them a solid foundation to build upon. Finally, the last step is to keep selling and growing on Amazon. Sustaining momentum and scaling your business is key to long-term success. I have innovative techniques that will help you scale your business over time, ensuring continuous growth and profitability. Make sure to hit the subscribe button because I will be providing valuable Amazon tips, techniques, and secrets in the coming weeks. These insights will be crucial to your ongoing success and staying ahead of the competition. Now let's delve into the 4 different systems for selling on Amazon. Number 1 is retail arbitrage. Number 2 is wholesale. Number 3 is private label. And last but not least is creating your own product. Each system has its unique benefits and challenges, and understanding these nuances will help you choose the right system for you. Retail arbitrage involves buying discounted items from retail stores and reselling them on Amazon for a profit. It's one of the simplest ways to start selling on Amazon, and it doesn't require a large initial investment. However, it is not a scalable business model. You will need to do constantly looking for items and hunting for deals, and may face limitations in inventory and profitability. Wholesale entails purchasing a product in bulk from the manufacturer at a wholesale price and reselling them on Amazon. It's relatively straightforward to begin and requires less investment than private label or creating your own product. The main advantage is that you're dealing with established products and brands, which can make it easier to sell. However, there's always a risk that the manufacturer might start selling directly on Amazon or supply your competitors, making it difficult to maintain a sustainable business. Private label involves finding products that are already selling well on Amazon and creating your own branded version of these items. The benefit of this system is that you can build your own brand and differentiate yourself from other sellers. And the way to do that is by improving on existing products and branding them uniquely. You can create a loyal customer based on that. However, competitors can replicate your success by copying and selling the same product that you're selling and stealing your success in the market. Creating your own product allows you to innovate and bring something unique to the market. This system creates a larger competitive moat around your business, making it harder for competitors to replicate your success. You can improve existing products or introduce entirely new ones, providing you with a unique selling proposition. The potential for differentiation and creating a new market segment is significant, but it requires more time, effort, and investment upfront. Once you have chosen your business system, the next step is to find a product to sell on Amazon. The method of selecting a product will differ depending on your chosen system. For retail arbitrage, look for discounted items that you can resell for a profit. Focus on popular categories and seasonal trends to maximize your chances of success. For wholesale, find products that aren't already saturated on Amazon and negotiate with the manufacturers to buy in bulk. This approach allows you to leverage existing demand and scale quickly if you find the right products. For private label, identify high demand products with poor listings and create a superior version. Analyze customer reviews and feedback to find pain points and opportunities for improvement. That will help you create a product that addresses customer needs better than existing options. And for creating your own product, identify a gap in the market or an unmet need. Conduct thorough market research to validate your product idea and ensure there is demand for your product before investing time and resources into development. One of my favorite methods for selecting a product is to scratch your own itch. Identify a product that you wish existed. Something that solves a problem or fulfills a need that you've experienced personally. This approach not only ensures you're passionate about the product, but also that there is a real demand for it. Gathering feedback from potential customers or a launch group can also provide valuable insights and ideas, helping you refine your product and increase its chances of success. Now let's move on to step number 4, creating a compelling product listing. I'm going to share 10 secrets to optimize your listing and maximize its effectiveness. First, your main image is crucial. Minimize white space and use computer-generated images for a polished look. Number 2, for your title, include relevant keywords and highlight the benefits of your product to attract potential buyers. Number 3, your bullet points on your listing should also feature keywords and emphasize product benefits, making it clear why buyers should choose your product over the competitors. Number 4, in the description, sell the benefits of your product enthusiastically and utilize all 9 image slots to showcase your product from various angles and in use. High-quality images can significantly impact your conversion rates, so invest in a professional photography if possible. Number 5, the question and answer section is an opportunity to address potential customer concerns and provide additional information about your product. Respond promptly to questions and use this section to build trust with potential buyers. Number 6, and a lot of people miss this, is to encourage multiple purchases. Use coupon stacking. This strategy involves offering discounts when customers buy more than one of your products, incentivizing them to purchase more. Number 7, if you have a trademark, leverage branded content for enhanced description and A+ content. And number 8, add a video to connect with your audience. Videos can be a powerful tool to demonstrate the features and benefits of your product, creating a stronger emotional connection with potential buyers. Number 9, use coupon codes to stand out in search results. And number 10, aim for a 5-star reviews within Amazon's terms of service. Good reviews are critical for building credibility and driving sales. With your product page optimized, it is time to launch. The key is to secure as many sales and reviews as quickly as possible. Many strategies exist, but I recommend using a product launch group. Build your group 1 to 3 months before launch. They will provide valuable feedback and be ready to buy and review your product at the time of launch. This group can also help you refine your product and marketing and make your product even better. ensuring a successful launch and a successful way to scale your business. To sustain growth, utilize Amazon's PPC platform. This tool lets you target ads and pay per click, driving traffic to your product page. By optimizing your PPC campaigns, you can increase your product visibility and sales, ensuring a steady stream of revenue. Additionally, driving external traffic from social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube can boost your Amazon ranking and sales. Create engaging content that showcases your product and encourages your followers to visit your Amazon listing. In my opinion, creating and selling a passion product on Amazon is the best way to make money online and is the easiest way to scale for someone who is just starting with e-commerce. But it allows you to stand away from the competition. I can't wait to share more of my journey with you in the next video and provide you with more strategies to help you succeed on Amazon.